flow can get up. And that's what makes the seat complete between the piston and the cylinder wall.
Go on there, checking the
That's the little
spring, the unloader.
It's a suction.
Could this be? Could that be leaking?
You know, I was thinking about that. Let me take a picture of that.
Because we're not using the unloader, so that we came with the factory.
Right.
I'll address that.
Because we could fix that from the other side, right?
No, we'd have to pull
Do
the head.
do it now.
You have to.
Because this just blocks suction. If that blocks suction right here, if it's energized, that'll push down and block suction. If it's not energized, let me think
Not
about this.
energized, it's lost.
Yeah, let me think about this.
To block, because this one has to be energized for it to load up.
Yeah.
So it's unenergized, it should be full.
So where would it leak from? Right around here?
Yeah. Possibly.
Well, you got that. This is pump coming up this way, so this is the high side of the head. So that gas could, and I'm wondering if it could possibly go back through there. I don't know. That's what I need to find out.
That would
Or
make
it would go
a
back
lot of
to-
sense if that was the case, you know?
Right.
I wonder.
Well, these are all rebuilds anyway, correct?
The remanufactured.
Okay.
There's a difference.
There is.
No, there is.
Okay.
What if we took that off real quick?
I don't have
Is it seated?
Well, you know, some of them have O-rings in there, and if you pull it out, the O-ring expands. You won't be able to get that
expands.
back
Good to know. Good to know. So don't pull that out.
If it ain't broke, at least that you know.
If it ain't broke, fix it.
We're already fixing enough.
That's the UCI. That's the wherever we work with.
in. But the gaskets look fine.
So now at this point we got to.
It came off. See that?
The biggest pain is the fact that we now have to put this together and torque it right and not break the bolts.
Oh, come on.
Alan knows his stuff, dude.
Yeah, he's been working on this stuff for years.
I can work with Alan for a while.
And we love us some Alan. And if any of you single ladies out there want to love some Alan, check that link below.
Yeah, I make cold. I'm hot, so I have to make cold.
Just throwing that out there.
Just throwing it out. Let me take a picture of this too. I forget how this is set up. Because a lot of our stuff now is digital rather than non-digital. So.
Okay, so we're gonna come back when we actually do the torque.